Merry Christmas. When you think of Easter,
Ho, ho, ho!
what familiar dish comes to mind? Every year, about 8 million tons of turkey find their way onto holiday tables across the nation. But have you ever wondered how Turkish farmers manage to raise and process such colossal quantities of turkey with such efficiency? Well, pull up a chair and join us as we dive into the world of turkey farming and pig farming, guided by the insightful documentaries from clgmachines. Welcome to clgmachines. Number 1. Turkey farming industry in Turkey. Turkey, a nation steeped in agricultural tradition, boasts a bustling turkey farming industry that plays a significant role in its economy. The heart of this industry beats strongest in regions like Central Anatolia and Themara. These areas are blessed with vast tracts of land dedicated specifically to poultry farming, providing the perfect backdrop for large-scale operations. Thanks to a mix of government initiatives and savvy private investments, modern facilities and sustainable practices have flourished, turning turkey farming into a powerhouse of production. With thousands of tons of turkey produced annually, Turkey is not just feeding its own people, but is also making waves in the global export market. This farming documentary from clgmachines shines a light on the country's unwavering commitment to advanced farming techniques, ensuring both high-quality production and robust economic growth. Let's talk turkey, literally. Scientific research has revolutionized the fertilization process for turkeys, making artificial insemination AI the gold standard in the industry. Imagine boosting fertilization rates to an impressive 85 to 90% compared to the lower odds of natural mating. That's the magic of AI. By selecting semen from top-tier male turkeys, farmers can enhance genetic diversity and ramp up productivity. Take one study, for instance, which found that AI with high-quality semen can bump hatchability up by 10 to 15% compared to old-school methods. It's like giving the turkey population a turbo boost, ensuring a steady and healthy supply of birds ready for the festive season. This scientific approach doesn't stop at fertilization. It paves the way for more consistent egg production, with commercial farms churning out up to 15 million eggs each year. These numbers aren't just impressive, they translate to healthier poultry and a reduction in the need for large flocks of male turkeys. After fertilization, the real work begins. Turkey eggs are meticulously collected and placed into incubators where every detail, from temperature to humidity, is carefully controlled to mimic natural conditions. Picture this each day: commercial turkey farms gather thousands of eggs, sometimes up to 50,000 in a single day. These eggs are then transferred to incubators, where they are monitored closely to ensure proper embryo development. Scientists have determined that the ideal temperature for turkey eggs hovers around 99.5 deg with a humidity level of 50 to 55%. It's a delicate balance that ensures each egg has the best chance of developing into a healthy chick. In an interview featured in the documentary, Dr. John Miller, a poultry scientist highlights the importance of the egg-turning mechanism. It's crucial, he says, to prevent the embryo from sticking to the shell and to ensure even heat distribution. This attention to detail means that after about 28 days, the eggs hatch and the chicks are ready to move on to the next stage of farming. The entire incubation process is a well-oiled machine, with industrial incubators handling tens of thousands of eggs at once. It's efficiency and science working hand in hand to produce the turkey of your dreams. Caring for baby turkeys, or poults, is no small feat. These little guys require specific attention to their needs for food, shelter, and health. Once hatched, poults are placed in controlled environments with temperatures maintained between 90 def and 95 def. Why? Because these fluffy newcomers can't regulate their body temperature just yet. Farmers step in with specialized high-protein feed to support their rapid growth, often opting for pellet-based diets rich in vitamins and minerals. Farmer Mefit Yilma shares, "We focus on creating the perfect environment for the poults with automated feeding systems, ensuring they get the right nutrition every time." It's a blend of technology and tender care that ensures these young turkeys grow up healthy and strong. Vaccination is another cornerstone of turkey farming. Young poults are vulnerable to various diseases, so on large farms, it's common to vaccinate up to 100,000 poults each week. Vaccines protect against common poultry diseases like Marek's disease and coccidiosis, keeping flocks healthy and thriving. These carefully managed systems are what keep the food industry machines running smoothly, ensuring that every turkey that makes it to your table is healthy and safe. As the turkeys grow, the process moves towards harvesting. When turkeys reach 16 to 24 weeks of age, they're ready for the next big step. Unlike chickens, turkeys are larger and heavier, requiring specialized transportation systems. These birds are carefully loaded into metal crates, often using automated systems to minimize stress. The crates are then placed in tractor trailers equipped with ventilation to ensure proper airflow during transport. Because of their size, fewer turkeys are transported per load compared to chickens, making the process more carefully managed. This meticulous attention helps maintain the health and quality of the turkeys throughout their journey to the processing facilities. Once at the processing plant, the real magic happens. Large-scale facilities can process thousands of turkeys every day, with some plants handling up to 10,000 birds per hour. Advanced technologies like automated plucking machines, high-speed conveyors, and sensor-controlled cutting systems streamline operations, making the process efficient and precise. One of the standout turkey processing plants in Turkey is EdPuff, renowned for its use of advanced techniques to ensure food safety, hygiene, and precision at every step. The plant employs modern packaging and refrigeration systems, guaranteeing that the turkey meat remains fresh and safe for distribution. The adoption of automated systems for cutting, deboning, and packaging has revolutionized the industry. These food industry machines help plants achieve maximum efficiency, minimize waste, and improve overall product quality. Turkey is not only a delicious source of lean protein, but also packed with B vitamins and minerals like selenium, making it a healthy choice for holiday meals. Culturally, turkey holds a special place in holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas, symbolizing abundance and bringing families together. It's an iconic dish that represents celebration and togetherness, gracing festive tables year after year. Number 2. Pig farming in New Zealand. Shifting our focus across the globe to New Zealand, we find another thriving agricultural sector, pig farming. New Zealand's pig farming industry is no small operation, producing over 700,000 pigs annually and contributing more than $1 billion to the economy. With 125 large farms and countless smaller operations, this sector meets the rising global demand for protein while catering to the unique needs of pigs. These needs include shelter, temperature control, and specialized facilities for birth and rearing. About 55% of farms use indoor systems, offering precise environmental control suitable for all climates. The remaining 45% operate outdoors, primarily in temperate regions like Canterbury, using free-farm or free-range methods. While free-range is less common at just 2%, it provides pigs with permanent outdoor access alongside shelter. These diverse systems strike a balance between animal welfare and profitability, adapting to the specific goals and resources of each farm. In New Zealand's pig farms, artificial insemination AI is a vital process for enhancing reproduction and maintaining genetic quality. AI accounts for over 90% of breeding on commercial farms, especially in regions like Canterbury, where 45% of farms operate outdoor systems. This practice allows farmers to select superior boars, improving traits such as growth rates and feed efficiency. AI also minimizes disease transmission and aligns with precise reproductive cycles, typically conducted during breeding seasons between late winter and early spring. By boosting productivity and ensuring genetic excellence, AI supports the sustainability and profitability of New Zealand's billion-dollar pork industry. It's another example of how food industry machines and modern techniques are driving agricultural success. Sows preparing to give birth in outdoor breeding conditions exhibit distinct behavioral and physical changes as their due date approaches. Typically, after a 114-day gestation period, sows become restless and engage in nesting behavior, instinctively gathering materials like straw or soil to create a safe and comfortable space for their piglets. In outdoor systems, sows are provided with individual huts that offer shelter and protection from the elements. These huts allow the sows to move freely in and out while ensuring privacy and safety during the birthing process. The birth process usually takes 2 to 6 hours, with an average litter size of 8 to 12 piglets. Piglets are delivered at intervals of 15 to 20 minutes. Farmers monitor this process closely to ensure the health of both the sow and her litter, stepping in only if necessary. This natural and low-stress environment fosters strong maternal bonds and healthy piglet development. After birth, Piglets in New Zealand's outdoor systems receive meticulous care to ensure their overall health and development. Farmers keep a close eye on the bond between sow and piglet, making sure each piglet receives enough colostrum within the first 24 hours, a crucial boost for their immune systems. In outdoor systems, distributing piglets evenly among sows is often necessary, especially in large litters, to ensure that each piglet gets the nutrition and warmth it needs. This distribution is particularly important because sows with very large litters may struggle to care for all their piglets equally, leading to weaker or undernourished piglets. By ensuring even distribution, farmers reduce the risk of neglect and increase the chance that all piglets will grow up healthy. Additionally, this practice helps maintain a balanced environment where each sow has enough space and resources to successfully raise piglets. As piglets reach the weaning stage, typically around 21 to 28 days, they are moved to comfortable bedding pens to support their growth and transition to solid food. New Zealand employs various housing systems post-weaning. One common system involves solid floor pens with bedding such as straw, allowing piglets to engage in natural behaviors like rooting while staying warm and comfortable. Another system uses climate-controlled barns with slatted floors, which manage waste efficiently and provide automatic feeders and drinkers to ensure proper nutrition. Regardless of the system, the goal is the same: provide enough space, comfort, and access to food and water, promoting the piglet's physical and mental development before they are moved to larger pens as they grow. It's all part of the careful orchestration that keeps the food industry machines humming smoothly. Piglets in New Zealand's free-range systems thrive in spacious environments that allow for natural behaviors such as rooting and foraging. These systems typically provide 20 to 30 square feet of space per piglet, promoting physical activity and reducing stress. The piglets are born in outdoor shelters with a minimum temperature range of 50 to 70 degrees, ensuring warmth and protection from the elements. As they grow, they have access to pasture, fresh air, and an environment where they can socialize, which is essential for their mental and physical well-being. Farmers have observed that free-range systems lead to healthier immune systems and stronger overall growth, with piglets averaging 15 to 20 pounds by weaning at 3 to 4 weeks. This method allows sows to express natural maternal behaviors, strengthening the bond with their piglets. While more labor-intensive, free-range systems result in better quality pork and more resilient animals, showcasing the benefits of balancing traditional practices with modern techniques. Indoor feeding systems typically use automatic feeders and drinkers, ensuring precise control of nutrition and minimizing waste. This setup allows for consistent feeding, which helps pigs achieve rapid growth, about 1.5 to 2 pounds per day, thanks to a carefully balanced diet. Experts emphasize that indoor systems are ideal for large-scale operations where efficiency and disease management are paramount. On the flip side, outdoor feeding systems common in free-range operations allow pigs to forage naturally, providing a more varied diet that can improve overall health. While growth rates may be slower, about 1 pound per day, pigs raised outdoors often have stronger immune systems, reducing the need for antibiotics. This results in a healthier herd, making outdoor systems beneficial for animal welfare. Both systems offer unique advantages, with indoor feeding excelling in productivity and outdoor systems promoting better animal health. It's a classic case of the chicken, or rather the pig, coming before the egg, where each system supports the food industry machines in its own way. Maintaining hygiene and managing waste effectively is crucial in New Zealand's pig farming. The outdoor pig pile flooring cleaning process focuses on these aspects to ensure pig health and environmental sustainability. Outdoor systems typically use natural bedding materials like straw or sawdust to absorb waste, which helps manage odors and keeps the pigs dry. Over time, these bedding materials, along with manure, accumulate in the pens, forming what is known as the pig pile. To keep things clean and comfortable, farmers periodically replace the bedding, removing the soiled material and adding fresh bedding. The manure and old bedding are usually collected and stored in designated areas for composting. In New Zealand, this organic waste is often recycled into compost or used as fertilizer for crops, reducing environmental impact and promoting sustainable farming practices. This recycling process not only minimizes waste but also enhances soil quality by returning valuable nutrients to the land, showcasing a perfect harmony between agricultural practices and environmental stewardship. Once the pigs are ready to be processed, they head to food factories where several key stages ensure that the final product is of the highest quality. Upon arrival, pigs are humanely stunned and prepared for the next steps. The carcasses are then hung for evisceration, where internal organs are carefully removed and the carcasses are cleaned and chilled. In large food factories, around 400 to 500 pigs can be processed each day. The carcasses are then split into primal cuts like shoulders, hams, and loins, which are further processed into products such as sausages, bacon, or fresh pork. After seasoning, curing, or smoking, the meat is packaged and labeled. The final products are stored at -1 degree Celsius and shipped to retailers or food service providers. Strict hygiene and safety standards are followed throughout the entire process to ensure quality at every step. From the careful management on the farm to the precision of the processing, New Zealand's pig industry leads the world in sustainability, quality, and animal welfare. Thank you for being part of this journey with CLG Machines. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our documentaries about food factories around the world. Thank you for watching. Are you facing any challenges with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We're ready to help. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, subscribe, and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Until next time, hello and see you again.
This is the video we created, hoping to receive support and appreciation from you all.